Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. We've just got delivery of this unbelievable GT500 Shelby. Look at this thing. Listen to the sound of this exhaust. Gone in 60 seconds. Sign on the dashboard, Carol Shelby. Look at that. What a beast. Listen to that thing. Whoa, man, oh man. GT500. Look at this baby. Oh, unbelievable. That is a nice machine. Look at this. Just been delivered to the showroom, and we'll be doing photos, video. So we'll have this on the internet shortly, but I'll just have a look inside. Look at that. Look at the Go Baby Go. Look at that on the gear knob, signed by Carol Shelby. Look at that. Awesome. Carol Shelby on the seats. Eleanor World Registry. There's one of those under the bonnet as well. Anyway, coming soon to Australian muscle car sales. Thanks for watching.